Creatine is one of the most researched dietary supplements on earth, and pretty much all of the studies show that it will help you become more powerful in terms of weightlifting. But one of the questions I often get asked is, do I need to cycle creatine, periodically go on creatine for a few weeks or a couple months, and then go off of creatine for a little bit of time before reinitializing it? So the answer is, you don't have to cycle creatine. There have been people who have been taking creatine dietary supplements for years, and we haven't seen anything horrible happen to them. Likewise, research has also shown that in healthy people, creatine doesn't appear to cause any negative side effects either. As long as you're healthy, I don't see a problem with it, but definitely check with your doctor if you're not healthy. That said, if you are lifting weights and you are not lifting heavy, when I say heavy, I mean something you can probably only lift 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 times. If you're not lifting with that great intensity, then I don't see a reason to take a creatine supplement. So in that respect, you might want to lay off of creatine, cycle off of it, so to speak, until you are lifting heavy again. Hope that helps. Got any other questions? Check me out, supplementclarity.com. Take care.